Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. This is Manoj Dhara. CryptoWire, a crypto super app which also includes the channel Crypto TV, has launched India's first index of cryptocurrencies, IC15. The IC15 index is aimed at helping investors track the performance of top 15 widely traded liquid cryptocurrencies listed on leading crypto exchanges across the globe. Uber CEO says app will eventually accept crypto as payment. NFT marketplace OpenSea enters in venture capital business. FTX US to offer stock trading soon. US Treasury says crypto miners won't be subject to IRS reporting rules. Whales accumulate 220,000 bitcoins worth $9.6 billion in less than 2 months. Cryptocurrencies drop as Russia-Ukraine tension rise. First NFT linked house sells for $650,000 in the US. Indian cryptocurrency exchanges refute RBI governor's contention. Farmville creator Zynga to launch NFT games in 2022. Uber Technologies Inc. will one day join the likes of Microsoft Corp by accepting Bitcoin as a payment option on its app, the chief executive officer said in an interview. However, the decision to accept cryptocurrencies as a payment will be Uber will accept cryptocurrencies at some point of time in the future. This isn't the right point, he said in an interaction. Khosrowshahi cited the cost of exchanges, which can carry high transaction fees and environmental impact of digital mining on the energy grid as reasons why Uber has not yet incorporated the technology. According to Khosrowshahi, cheaper exchange mechanism and cryptocurrencies becoming more environmental friendly will likely motivate the ride-hailing app into the crypto a little bit more. Popular non-fungible token marketplace OpenSea is launching an investment arm after raising $300 million at a $13.3 billion valuation in January. OpenSea Ventures is dedicated to growing the Web3 ecosystem through NFTs, decentralized systems, and other novel blockchain users, said the company in a blog. The venture fund is to be led by OpenSea co-founder. Among key selling points of potential portfolio companies will be access to companies' strategic partners including Anderson Horowitz, Standard Crypto, Animico Brands, and Kevin Hrad's A Capital. Story 3. FTX US, the American subsidiary of US cryptocurrency exchange FTX, has started accepting users for a waitlist to learn about this soon-to-be-launched stock trading platform, President announced in a tweet on Friday. Harrison in his tweet wrote about some of the features of FTX US plans to offer on its stock platform, including live BBO and historical candles, stock screening, basic fundamentals like market cap, price to equity ratio, dividend yield, as well as portfolio performance tracking and trade details. Last month, FTX rival crypto exchange eToro announced it would offer stocks, an exchange-traded fund, that is ETF, trading on its US customers. The US Treasury Department, in a letter to 6 considering senators, has suggested that in a plans to spare crypto miners and stakes from rule that would require digital asset brokers to turn over information on their clients' transactions to the Internal Revenue Service. Jonathan Davidson, Treasury Assistant Secretary for Legislative Affairs, had said in a letter that ancillary parties who cannot get access to information that is useful to IRS, that is Internal Revenue Service, are not intended to be captured by reporting requirements for brokers. That language signals that people who use mining or staking to valid crypto transactions, as well as software and hardware providers, will be able to avoid the demands. A group of US representatives last month wrote a letter to the Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen challenging the infrastructure bill's definition of broker, saying it is incompatible with the crypto ecosystem. Whales have accumulated 220,000 bitcoins valued at over $9.6 billion in the last 7 weeks, according to a recent data from cryptocurrency analytical firm Sentiment. Bitcoin addresses with a balance of 1,000 Bitcoin or more have been adding coins since December 23rd. To the point, they have accumulated more than 1% of the total Bitcoin supplies in less than 2 months. Whale started accumulating Bitcoin after its price fell below $50,000 for the second time in December and kept moving down to $34,000, a level before recovery. Cryptocurrency decline led by Bitcoin as its traders reacted to geopolitical risk emanating from Russia and Ukraine. US President Biden urged Americans to leave Ukraine immediately, warning an invasion could begin at any time. An invasion could start with an aerial bombing that would mark a departure of difficult and endanger civilians, the White House said on Friday. Moscow has repeatedly denied any plans to invade Ukraine despite amassing more than 1 lakh troops near the border. Bitcoin dropped nearly 3% in the past 24 hours and was trading recently at $42,319, with Ether declining by over 6% during the same period and was trading at $2,913. Sol, the native token of Solana, fell 10% and was at $95.38. Propi, a real estate startup, has auctioned its first NFT-backed Florida house for 21 Ether, which is valued at $653,000. The winning bidder, which was named AJ, would be awarded a non-fungible token as a proof of home's ownership. The token is linked to the ownership of an LLC that owns the physical asset, not the housing deed itself. Propi CEO had said that they have received hundreds of requests from all over the US to sell their homes as NFT. The next big sale will be in Tampa. It's a condo with a current valuation between $200,000 to $300,000. The India cryptocurrency exchanges have argued that the digital assets don't pose threat to macroeconomic stability, countering Reserve Bank of India's Governor Shaktikanta Das's contention. Instead, crypto assets could help unlock the country's innovation, job creations, and economic potential, exchange officials said. Some exchange officials argued that the cryptos, if nurtured in a healthy regulatory environment, could transform the country's financial system for better. Zynga, the creator of hit online games such as Farmville and the Words with Friends, has announced its intention to get into the blockchain by creating NFT games. Zynga is yet to officially announce any of the NFT games they have in the pipeline, but the first may be released sooner than later, according to the Zynga's blockchain chief, Matt Wolf. It's unclear just what this entire new NFT games will be. Its potential will be similar to other play-to-earn titles on the market. Blockchain and NFT-based games have been noticing and increasing in attention as users base ever since Axie Infinity's success. Thank you so much for watching Crypto TV and watching this special headline segment. This is Manoj Dara signing off. Thank you so much. Enjoy your weekend.